Loosen the 4 fixing screws with a coarse screwdriver. Loosen the screws of the head with the Allen key. Remove the immobilizing spindle anchor. Return and tighten the 4 screws. Nail on the toolbox and tighten the 2 screws to their original screw holes. Remove the lens mounting base. Return and tighten the 2 screws and the lens mounting base. Adjust the lens mounting base angle adjusting dial to 0 point. Adjust the lens mounting base and rotate it to 0 point. Adjust the head to 0 point, pull it out and rotate it. Load the square box and connect the AC adapter. Turn on the power. Check the original point on the coordinates of the head. Press the confirmation button. Original pattern alignment. The drilling lenses need to be exactly the same size as the pattern ones. Press the measurement button. Mount the pattern lenses. Mount the lenses and watch carefully if the edges of the lenses have contact both the center lens separation rods, which is the population of the lenses edges. Tilt the head to the left. Insert the probe into the first hole of the left lens and press the 1 button. Insert the probe into the second hole of the left lens and press the 2 button. Insert the probe into the 5th hole of the right lens and press the 5 button. Insert the probe into the 6th hole of the right lens and press the 6 button. Tilt the head to the right. Insert probe into the 5th hole of the left lens and press the 5 button. Insert probe into the 6th hole of the left lens and press the 6 button. Insert probe into the 1st hole of the right lens and press 1 button. Insert the probe into the 2nd hole of the right lens and press the 2 button. After measurement is finished, press the confirmation button to access to the drilling mode. Tilt the head to the left. Remove the measuring probe. Load the right tab or drilling bit. Remove the pattern lenses. Load the drilling lenses. Load the drilling lenses. Load the pattern lenses. Load the pattern lenses. Load the drilling 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 lenses. Load the Press the confirmation button. The head automatically moves to the first hole operation of the left lens. Press the electric motor button to start the drilling engine. Rotate the spindle speed adjusting control to the needed speed. Press the lever on the head to drill the first hole on the left. After first hole on the left lens is drilled, press the confirmation button. The head moves to the second hole operation of the left lens. Press the confirmation button till all the holes and angle to the left are drilled. Tilt the head to the right. Press the electric motor button. Press the lever to start the drilling. Press the confirmation button till all the holes at angle to the right are drilled. Press the confirmation button to set the head back to original point. Remove the lenses. The beer bit can be used to beat the lens hole button. The Cornish bit can be used to expand the hole if the drill hole is too small. Frame position measurement. The drilling lenses are not the same size as the pattern ones. Mount the pattern lenses. Insert the probe into the first hole on the left lens. Press the left arrow button and the indicator LED lamp on one button blinks. Contact the tape portion of the probe to the edge of the left lens outside the first hole. Press one button and the indicator LED lamp on one button turns on. Insert the probe into the second hole on the left lens. Press the 2 button. The indicator LED lamp on 2 button turn on. Insert the probe into the 5th hole on the right lens. Press the left arrow button. The indicator LED lamp on 5 button blinks. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the right lens outside the 5th hole. Press the 5 button and the indicator LED lamp on 5 button turns on. Insert the probe into the 6th hole on the right lens. Press the 6th button. The indicator LED lamp on the 6th button turns on. Tilt the head to the right. Insert the probe into the 5th hole on the left lens. Press the left arrow button. The indicator LED lamp on 5 button blinks. Contact the taper portion of the pole to the edge of the left lens outside the 5th hole. Press the 5 button and the indicator LED lamp on 5 button turns on. Insert the probe into the 6th hole on the left lens. Press the 6th button. The indicator LED lamp of the 6th button turns on. Insert the probe into the 1st hole on the right lens. Press the left arrow button. The indicator LED lamp on 1 button blinks. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the right lens outside the 1st hole. Press 1 button and the indicator LED lamp of 1 button turns on. Insert the probe into the 2nd hole on the right lens. Press the 2 button. The indicator LED lamp of the 2 button turns on. After the mirroring process is finished, press the confirmation button. Tilt the head to the left. Remove the pattern lenses. Load the needed lenses. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the left lens outside the 1st hole. Press the confirmation button. Tilt the head to the right. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the left lens outside the 5th hole. Press the confirmation button. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the right lens outside the 1st hole. Press the confirmation button. Tilt the head to the left. Contact the taper portion of the probe to the edge of the right lens outside the 5th hole. Press the confirmation button. Remove the mirroring rod. Load the right tab or drill bit. To smooth the hole surface, it's recommended to use the drill field bolts while drilling. Press the confirmation button. Press the electric mounting button to start the drill engine. Adjust the drill head, adjusting knob on the head. Raise the drill head adjusting knob. Make sure your milling cutter is above the lens and scale of any scraps of lenses. Press the confirmation button till all the holes and engine to the left are drilled. Press the confirmation button. Tilt the head to the right. Press the electric mounting button to start the drill engine. Drill the fifth hole on the left lenses. Press the confirmation button till all the holes and engine to the right are drilled. Press the confirmation button. Press the confirmation button to return to head to the original point, and the drilling process is finished. Milling process. Remove the drill bit. Load the right type of milling cutter. Press the confirmation button and down arrow button at the same time. Press the confirmation button. Press the electric mounting button to attach the milling cutter. Adjust the drill head adjust knob to insert the mid leg into the lens. Press the left arrow button. Raise the drill head adjusting knob. Make sure the milling cutter is above the lens. After the milling process is finished, press the left arrow button to stop the milling cutter moving. Press the confirmation button and the head moves to the next hole operation. Tilt the head to the right. Adjust the drill head adjusting knob to insert the mid leg into the lens. Press the right arrow button. After the milling process is finished, press the right arrow button to stop the milling cutter moving. Press the confirmation button to return to head to original point.